My name is Ren, and today I'm going to teach you how to use your Count Fast deck called Count Fast Double Digit Addition. This particular card deck is geared towards kids that are in grades 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. This deck is using mental addition with double digits. So when you open your deck, you'll see that you have a math focus card that gives you the overall concept of the game. And in this instance, again, we're doing double-digit mental math. So we're really starting to build on skills they've learned in previous decks by giving them a more challenging set of numbers. Again, in this deck, you will also have an instruction card which teaches you how to use the deck. When you open your deck, you'll see that, again, we have 5 sets of color-coded cards. So you want to sort out your 5 color-coded decks. So we've got yellow, blue, pink, green, and orange. We also have a time record so that as you do each color set of deck, you can keep track of the time it takes the student or the child to get through and accurately answer the equations. And as always, we have an answer key so that you can always double check what the answer is supposed to be. In this game, or in this deck rather, one of the biggest concepts that kids are going to start to learn with double-digit addition is having to carry forward numbers. So the first 2 days in the yellow and blue decks, it's very simple addition double-digit problems. In the first 2 days, we're not asking them to try to carry forward any numbers. We're just trying to get them comfortable with adding double digits. So 11 plus 12 would be 23. And again, you can always double check on the answer key so that way they're getting the correct answer. There's 10 cards in every deck. So for every day, you'll want to go through all 10 cards with the student or the child. And as they call out the correct answer, you'll want to keep track of their time at the end of that set of cards. So maybe on day 1, it took them 2.5 minutes. But as they go forward, they'll start to get faster and faster. We say to work on these cards for about 10 to 15 minutes a day. So once you've gone through your yellow cards one time, you can randomly mix them up and then go through them again. Again, we're really trying to get students comfortable with being able to mentally add double digits in their head. On day 2, you're going to use your blue deck, and it's the same as the yellow deck with different numbers. But again, we're not asking them to carry forward any numbers in their addition. So again, we're just really trying to get them comfortable with mentally adding double-digit numbers. On day 3, they'll start to have to carry forward. All of these cards are designed to carry forward a 1 in the 10 spot. So 35 plus 55 to give you 90. All of the cards are set up that way so that the last digit will be 0 and you'll carry forward the 1. This is to teach them the concept of how to carry forward and run that addition process mentally in their head. As they go on to day 4 and use their green deck, they're going to have to start to carry forward a 1, but the last digit will not remain a 0. Again, the same on the orange deck. So we're really trying to start very, very basic with your yellow and blue cards and then build up their skill as they go along on their 5 days. Again, every color has 10 cards, so you'll want to go through each of the 10 cards with your student or child and record their time on how long it took them to do that deck. And again, once you've gone through it once, it's good to mix them up and then repeat that deck and work on it for about 10 to 15 minutes a day. This particular deck is more challenging because we're using bigger numbers, but again, it's geared towards 1st, 2nd, and 3rd grade, so it's really just trying to get them to start learning how to do double-digit mental addition. Because if they can do it in their head versus having to double check on a calculator, they're going to be able to solve math problems a lot easier going forward as they get into harder math. So we really want to build that core foundation mathematics skills, and mental math is really important. The more they practice, the better they're going to get, and the faster they're going to get at recognizing how to group numbers together to get the answers. That's why we call it Count Fast.